Fiona is wearing her ugly head. And I am starving. Yup. You guessed it right. Banan bukane, patat bukane, lamb bukane. That's what's for dinner. Pendant mon Fiona pas annoncé arriver, vague là m'a monté bien haut. Moi-même dîner pas me commencer par la véritable moi boucané patate moi banane moi avec un petit malanga. Alors boy ici là il dit moi kon boucané malanga mais grand goût, mais pays lok dit voilà kon sacré malanga boucané. Pas manger quand même, le ou la façon. Faut nous manger. Guys, ooh, this is what I had for you guys today, man. Nothing special, something very quick, put together in about 25-30 minutes. Get salazan selmoin, zavokam, lamb véritable, patate, malanga, banane. Everything is looking so delicious. This is the Fiona version of my cooking today. Not only is the pay lock, but Fiona's on her way, and that's what I'm eating today. Lamb boucané, patate boucané, banane boucané avec malanga boucané. I hope you guys had something delicious to eat today. Bon appétit. Bye bye. It's still your favorite chef, Lakay reporting. Ciao, ciao.